How can no one duet with your TikTok videos, or how to turn off duet with your videos on TikTok? Today, guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to TikTok, then open it. After this, when TikTok is open and it's open automatically on home, you will just go here on your profile, open your profile, then go to this three line here at the top of the screen, then go to settings and privacy. After this, when you open settings in the privacy, you go directly to privacy. Then you will go down little and go to Duet, and here you will choose, you will change it from everyone to only me. So right now no one can do it with your videos TikTok. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question, can write it down in comments, and see you next